Is your folder or file opening with a single click instead of a double click in File Explorer? So don't worry, in this video, I will show you how you can learn to easily fix this problem in just a few simple steps. I'll go to the File Explorer option, change click settings and restore normal double click behavior in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started. So at the bottom of the Windows, in the search box, type File Explorer and click on File Explorer. And here I have this folder. When I click on this folder, you can see that it is opening up with a one click. So click on the View tab in the ribbon, and on the right side you will see that option. Click on that and click Change Folder and Search option. A new window will open. So here in the folder option, you will see that there is a general option, and under the click items as follow. You will see that the single click to open an item point to select, and this is checked. So if you have this problem, so you need to uncheck it and click on the double click to open an item and click apply and click OK. Now it is double click and this problem will be fixed, and in this way you can easily fix your problem. So I hope you understand. So please support my channel. Thanks for watching.